Merk the Parts Clerk.
Actually, I'm the parts manager.
Hey, happy Wednesday. It's Bill Merk, the Parts Clerk. I'm gonna take off my mask because today we're social distancing. It's just you and me, and you're over there. Today I want to talk about technology. I love technology. And I'm going to talk about laser technology. A couple weeks ago I talked about lasers in the parts department when we cut keys. Today I'm talking about lasers in the service drive when you bring your car in that measures your tires. Crazy talk, right? How does it measure your tires? In the tread spec machine, they have laser beams that point up and measure the depth of tread so you know how far down your tires have worn. It does the second thing. If you drive like Emily and run over every parking bumper, curb, and chuck hole in the road, it'll measure the alignment so we can always keep your tires wearing even and your car driving straight down the road. When you come in and you drive over the tread spec, the lasers do their thing. Little camera hidden right here is going to take a picture of your car so we can show you that it's your car that has these tires. And then they'll explain to you whether everything's great and wonderful, it's a happy day, they'll give you a big hug or a social distance hug and let you go, or they'll talk to you about the tires that are needed for your car. Either way, crazy technology. Come see us at Toyota Tri-Cities. We'd love to take care of your tire needs.